Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to assign managerial rights to an employee. Before login into PromptHR, please check you must be having rights to access personnel menu. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Personnel from your left-hand side menu. Click on Employee Form. Click on Current. Here is the list of all active employees. Search employee name from here or click on the name of the employee if you can see it on the screen. I can see the name of employee on screen, but I want to show you how search option works, so I am putting employee name here to search. This is the employee and I want to give him managerial rights. Under Position tab, you will see an option as Supervisor. If it's selected as No, it meaning managerial rights not given to him. For enabling it, edit and select as Yes. And save. Manager rights given to him. And you can map employees under him or build reporting relationship.